Hi. So we have to see a special guest today. Going down London. Got my cappuccino. Got my Oreos. Time to sit back, relax, and begin the journey. No. Alright, so we're at King's Cross Station. Steve's not here yet. Beat him to the station. Just gotta wait for him, I guess. Alright, so it's 2 o'clock. Let's see if he makes it on time. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, look at this. Minimum £100. Minimum £100. 500 and over. That's a joke, Brethren, that's a joke. Say hello to YouTube. How's your journey? How's your journey? Great.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, pal.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Man.
There you go. Look who I found. Alright. Mr. Xsteveo.
Hey, what is up?
There you go. What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Say hello.
Hello, Bryson, and everyone else. How you doing?
That's good, man. So we're in London. We're gonna go to the Walking Dead convention, and yeah, man, it's gonna be cool. I think we're gonna hit the clubs as well. See what's going on down there and that. Yep. We got with some of Steve's mates. Was it Lewis and Dan?
Yeah, listen.
Yeah, Lewis and Dan. So yeah, it's gonna be cool, innit, brethren?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Let's show them the friggin' army shit you got.
The army rig.
The army rig. Show them the plate.
It's got food in it, Pop Tarts in the rig. You're supposed to have magazines in it, but I've got Pop Tarts.
Yeah, alright then, okay. Steve with his long hair needs a haircut, mate.
Yeah, hand cut for you, yeah.
Okay. A year?
Yeah.
Shit.
And 500.
Yeah, tell them what sort of bullets.
It can stop an AK-47 ballpoint.
Okay, so that shatters, and then what does it do after that?
Well, it doesn't shatter, it hits the plate, dints the plate, and warps out the back a little bit.
Okay, so what will happen to your body then?
Well, if it hits on your back of your ribs, it can actually damage the back of the ribs and internal bleeding as well. Depends on how it is.
Mr. Educated, what? Is there anything else inside that vest of yours, Mr. Army Man?
Twinkies.
Twinkies. American made, man. American made.
Full bag of Twinkies.
Jesus. Tasted that. It's alright, man. Them little Twinkie things. What else is there on it?
It's supposed to be 2 plates, but I've only got one in.
Oh, okay, just the one plate.
Yeah, just got loads of, Twinkie in there.
Oh, Twinkie in there.
Now I've just got loads of
What's this
Pop-Tarts
cat
in there.
symbol on there?
That's my old team what I used to play for in Nice Off. It's all do.
Alright, then alright.
SWAT team.
Okay, brother. Hey, I think I know that guy. Definitely know that guy. He's a celebrity. VIP.
London,
That's not
please
me.
welcome
Oh, I'm the
Walker
drink
Stalkers, Dave Solo and James Frazier.